Hey, what's up mga kokotes? Megan kayo dyan. Welcome sa Kuwaderknows where learning is the name for game. At kung baka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo lang subscribe, like, and share buttons para mag-updated ka sa aming videos. For this lecture video, we will continue our lecture video about sa 21st century literature of the Philippines and the world. And we are entering a new anthropogenic myth. Ayan. So ito ay from Philippines, of course, of the Bontocs. Ayan, from the Bontocs. So let's read the story. So standing on a Cordillera mountain summit, Lumawig viewed the Balasan River Valley and he struck a spear to the earth, producing man, who went to the valley and successively cut a bamboo, revealing in turns of a woman, rice, pig, rooster, cat, and dog. So this time, meron tayo dito si Lumawig. It is from Luzon Divinities. If di mo pa napapanood yung ating Luzon Divinities, panoorin mo na. Nandito lang yan sa ating video section ng ating YouTube channel. And makikita mo doon yung stories ni Lumawig. Ayan, sino ba si Lumawig, di ba? Ayan. So these creatures left them. Angering Lumawig filled the earth with water. The man clung to a drum and rescued the animals one by one. Eventually, finding the woman, produced the first fire using bamboo, flint, and rock. They propagated when the flood subsided next morning. So that what's happened nung nagalit si Lumawig. Ayan. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, di ba, wag natin gagalitin ang mga gods or goddess natin kasi hindi maganda yung nagiging outcome kapag nagagalit sila. So next on our list is the anthropogenic myths of the Philippines from the Apayao. Ayan, Apayao people. So the stone and banana were both gravid, but only the banana gave birth, producing the first human, while the stone failed and is seen up to the present in a place called Makartog. So next, we have the anthropogenic myths of the Philippines from Ifugao. Ayan. So Kabigat saw the lush earth Ayang from where he thrust his spear at a fountain at the foot of a tree in Skyworld Hudog, and upon eating his game asked his father Wigan to allow him to live there. And later he was followed by his sister Bugan, who was asked by Wigan to look after him. Taking cues from the behavior of related chicken, Kabigat impregnated Wigan one night while she was sleeping, the discovery of which caused her distress. Is only when they successively consulted Nilin Mongongol, his elder brother Ambumabakal, and their father Muntalog. So next, we proceed to the anthropogenic myths of the Philippines from our Igorot. Ayan. So this story, after Kabunian created the first woman and made her live on Mount Pulog, furnished with wild pigs for food. He made man to help her catch pigs, who later instructed her to search for a woman for instructions when her craving for pig became insatiate. This woman Bogan, whom he met at the foot of a mountain, told her that Kabunian bid her from her home in the sun to tell her when to eat pork. After she makes a tapoy from a plant, crushed with powder, mixed with cooked rice, let stand for 3 days and placed in a jar with water for 8 days, which would be passed around in a sacrificial feast to Kabunian Kanyao, followed by a ceremonial killing of pigs by thrusting their hearts with sharpened sticks. So, next, we proceed to the anthropogenic myth of the Philippines from Kankanay. Ayan. So, dito, Gods made people from earth and enlivened them by making them laugh through plucking feathers from a chicken. Yan. That's all for our lecture video. Reading of the anthropogenic myths from the different regions of our Luzon and Visayas and Mindanao anthropogenic myths. If you have something, suggestion, or comments, you may comment it down below. And let's all keep in mind that learning is the name of our game. So see you tomorrow. Bye.